जनरेशन and Trigeneration, listed by Nishan Dinaji Kale, roll number 2632.
Introduction. Cogeneration is defined as the sequential generation of two different forms of useful energy from a single primary energy sources, typically mechanical energy and thermal energy. Cogeneration is also called as combined heat and power (CHP). Cogeneration work on a concept of producing two different forms of energy by using a single source of primary fuel. One is thermal energy and another is either mechanical or electrical energy. Fuel used: nature gas, oil, diesel, propane, wood, coal, etc. Working principle of cogeneration. Cogeneration of fuel realize high temperature of heat, which is used to generate electricity with the help of steam turbine or steam engine or gas turbine or diesel engine, etc. During generation of electricity, major portion of heat goes waste along with exhaust gases. This waste heat is recovered and used to boil water to produce steam or for the purpose of space heating or process that needed for various domestic and industrial applications, etc. Thus, two forms of energies are generated, which are electricity and process heat. Advantages of cogeneration: helps to improve the efficiency of plant, lower emission to the environment, particularly carbon dioxide, CO2, gas, reduce the cost of production and improve productivity, more economical as compared to conventional power plants. Fifth, help to conserve utilization of water as well as the cost of water. Disadvantage of cogeneration: high capital cost. Second, moderate efficiency if it runs at part load instead of full load. Application of cogeneration plant: first, wastewater treatment; second, military; third, industry; fourth, data centers; fifth, hotels; sixth, hospitals; seven, education establishment; eight, horticulture; nine, recreational and relaxation centers; 10, sports centers. Next, trigeneration. Introduction of trigeneration. Trigeneration is defined as the simulation process of cooling, heating, and power generation from only one fuel input. It is also defined as the process by which a proportion of heat produced by a cogeneration plant (CHP) is utilized to generate chilled water for air conditioning or refrigeration service for a single source of primary fuel. Trigeneration is also called as combined cooling, heat and power (CCHP) or combined heating, refrigeration and power (CHRP). In short, trigeneration is the production of electricity, heat and cooling in one process. Working principle of trigeneration. The system corrupts a prime mover which is directly connected to electrical generator. Exhaust gases are transferred to a heat exchanger before being released into the atmosphere. Advantages of trigeneration: first, low playback period; second, protection against electricity cost and outage; third, replacing thermal energy; fourth, less emission of greenhouse gases; fifth, backup power to the seat; sixth, low maintenance cost; seventh, sale of electricity; eighth, increase the power reliability. Disadvantage of trigeneration: high capital cost, more research work is needed. Instead, planning is required for designing trigeneration system for projects. Fourth, applicability differs with each project. Therefore, detailed feasibility studies are required for each new project. Application of trigeneration in heating and cooling system for large hospitals, nurse centers, hotels, etc. Second, bulk production of electricity and heat to its use in sectors such aerospace, shipping, transport, space transport, portable device, etc. Third, data centers. Fourth, food producing industries. Fifth, refrigerated warehouses. Sixth, manufacturing units. Seventh, theaters. Eight, airports. 9, casinos. 10, resorts. Okay, thank you.